So guys, in the last video we passed data from one page to another, single data. On this short tutorial I'll show you how to pass multiple data. It's almost the same way, but there's some difference to it. So let's go back to the previous project. This was the previous project. We were able to pass data from the first page to the second page, which was my name. So let's pass multiple data items like first name, second name, and age. So let's delete these constructors, these parameters that we created. Okay, so let's define three final variables: final string, first name, final string, second name. No, it's a final with a okay, and final string, last name. On macOS, press Option and Insert. On Linux and Windows, press Alt and Insert. Okay, select the constructor, select all of them, and click OK. It will create a constructor. What's a constructor? A constructor is a special method function of a class which carries the same name as the class, and it can be used to pass data to Flutter. As you can see, the second page, this is the first name, this is the second name, this is the last name. So let's pass on this text widget of the second name. Let's define the text. The name is %, a $sign, first name, widget dot first name. No, okay guys, we'll have to use another way to define. Now let's just go direct. Widget dot first name, widget dot first name, plus let's add a space between them. That's a space, and widget dot second name, and put a space right there, and widget dot first name dot last name. Okay, on top of this method you'll find some error, so we'll have to put in some data in this order. Let's put the first name should be Samuel, second name should be Baraka, and the last name should be Ishuru. Let's save and let's switch to our browsers. Save and switch to your browser and refresh the page. When you navigate, it will pass all three data items to the next page. Okay, let's press the second page. Yes, it has passed all three variables, Samuel, Barak and Bushuru names, to the next page. If you like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.